Well, welcome to my channel. Oh shit, I only have 4 minutes. Okay, let's do a quick, can you even see me? Here. I don't know. Quick makeup tutorial because I have like 4 minutes left on my camera. We're gonna go in with this. We're gonna go in with Bubble Skincare, their Bounce Back Mist, because I've already done my makeup, or I've already done my skincare like hours ago, and this stuff is like good at kind of re-wetting, but I broke the lid so it might fall off. Anyway, whatever. Reapply sunscreen, and when I reapply my sunscreen, I'm gonna go in with this. Whoa. Okay, so this is the CVS Mineral Foundation in SPF 50. This is the MCO Beauty Golden Drops. I'm going to be mixing them together because it's the easiest way to do it. Oh my gosh. Maybe it's not the easiest way. Anyway, I love these MCO Beauty Drops. I think they're great. Whoa. I use about a drop of them. I'll show you what I'm working with here. Woohoo. We got 3 minutes, which is perfect. I can do this in 3 minutes. We're gonna rub this into our face and just get that going. This is like my favorite quick makeup to do in the summertime because I don't necessarily want to feel like I am wearing a ton of makeup, if any, in the summertime, if I'm gonna be honest. This is like my go-to. I got my Patrick top, but I can't do that because he's being a menace. He's being a menace to Makeup by Esther, so I cannot, as a black woman, support it right now. So there's that. Anyway, it's kind of just like giving it a soft glow. The next step, I want to make sure I'm like doing, yeah, the whole point is to like not do too much. You can do more if you want. I haven't been. You can go in with some bronzer if you'd like. I really haven't been, but for this video I will. But yeah, that basically is the base of the makeup, right? It's not too crazy. We're not doing too much. And then we're just gonna blend. I have 1 minute left. Hold on. I just feel like that's not right. Okay. What are we doing? Okay, like, is that good? Yeah, that's fine. You can then go in with a powder to like hold it in. What did I just use? Shit, what did I? The lifter stick in the shade 70. So good. Next, I'm basically just using like all liquid products because, oh, hold on. Okay, so after I do that, I'm gonna go in with a lip stain and a cheek stain. So I like the e.l.f. One. This is blush. It's the Plums Up one. So I'll just do my lips and let that dry. I feel like this routine is like under 5 minutes for sure, but I've been loving it personally. And then I just go in and do like a cheek swab, a cheek swipe. And I also would say like this lasts me pretty much all day because I lock it in with other stuff. But other than that, it's pretty minimal. Like, the whole point is to look like you're really not wearing much of anything, I guess. For this look, I really don't focus on eyes at all. I just let my lips and my cheeks kind of be the main focal point. In the summer especially just because swimming, just because like in the summertime, I just feel like that's more apt of a way to do things. But for the sake of this video, I could show you what I would do. I would just use bronzer as an eye color. So I'm taking the Natasha Denona. I think it's her natural, it's her everyday natural, it's her hyper natural palette that I've had for a few years now. I'm gonna say I've had it for like 2 years, and I'm still working on it, and I love this palette. Okay, so that's what I do for that. And then to go a bit further, I would probably do the dark brown in Statement, and I would line my lower lash line with that. Oh, what else I do like, if I am gonna like go out, I've just been really enjoying this Physicians formula. They have all of these shades. I don't know what the palette is. I've had it for, again, a few years, but it's just a really pretty shimmer. It's like very thin. It does such a good job. I feel like it looks really elevated. I don't know why I do think that, but I do. So I'm just gonna go with what I think. And this one's more creamy, and this one's like definitely just like more like lightweight, and maybe that's why I like it, because it feels more summery. I don't know. Okay, so from there, what am I doing? I guess we could do mascara, but I tend to like not in the summertime wear mascara, so I guess I'll just keep it natural and like how I normally do it. Eyebrows, I'm not gonna worry about my eyebrows. Sorry, just not gonna do that. What have I been using? I guess we could do this. I like the e.l.f. lip pencils, obviously, but the lifter liner one from Maybelline in Fine Line is a staple in my makeup collection. I need to sharpen this really badly. And then I just line my lips with it and fill in my lips with it. Oh god, that hurts. I really need to sharpen. Where's the sharpener? Where's the sharpener? I don't know where the oh, here it is. Okay. Yeah, that would have been... Oh, shit. Anyway, so I'm just gonna do this really quickly. Line the lips. It's just like a really pretty mauve color, and I will say I'm a bright winter, so these are colors that are good for my skin tone and like color palette and color season. For you, if you're like a soft summer or whatever, basically just whatever is your natural lip tone shade, like whatever that needs to be on your face, basically. Then I take this, which is Maybelline Soft Satin in 106. I don't know the exact like name of this shade, but I just kind of do this, and that is it for the lips. So 3 products essentially. It's a lip stain, a lip liner, a lipstick. Now, yeah, I definitely like how natural this all is and how shiny it is. I do have this look, actually, if I can find it. Here it is. For this look, especially in the summer, I love a good, what do you call it? Highlight. So I'm gonna go with the Fenty highlighter. This one is in Pearl Please, I believe. Pretty Pearls. Yeah, Pretty Pearls. So just put some on the bridge of the nose, put some right here. It just looks really natural, I think. You could even do this as like a eyeshadow. But yeah, that's basically all I really do. And then to seal it all in. Now, this is my lazy girl hack. It's not my favorite. This is not my favorite product by any means, but I do appreciate how fast it allows me to like move about my day. It's the Covergirl Invisible, Clean Invisible. And I just sort of like pat. But if I wanted like a seamless, perfect look, I would probably go with my Huda banana bread powder. And then I just sort of like clean that up. But I like this because I can clearly just like take it with me. This is the invisible one. And then what else do I do? I go in with this, obviously, like, I go in with the Infallible. Okay. And then I go in with the Easy Bake from Huda. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's been giving me grief. Usually my first one of this was fine. What the heck? Okay. Okay, then we just like let that happen. Let that cool down. You can obviously layer powders on top, but this is just what I do in the summer for like a quick, like if I'm going to brunch, if I'm going out to the store, if I'm going to meet friends for coffee, if I'm going to the movies, if I'm doing anything, if I'm going to the beach. I probably wouldn't wear any makeup, honestly, but like if I'm going out, this is probably like my daytime makeup look. For nighttime, I would amp it up. I would go in with a foundation probably, and a really good concealer. My favorite foundations currently, my obsessions currently, I have 3. Anastasia Beverly Hills. A lot of people hate this. I love it. This one is Neutrogena Healthy Skin. This one gets a lot of hate. This one is like, I think a lot of people like this one. A light layer for sure. This is great. I use the shade 10 in the Anastasia and like, good lord, 80, beige 80 for this one. And then obviously like for a more matte look, I would use my Dior stick. This one's Forever Skin Perfect in 3N. And then for like, if I didn't want to wear that and I wanted some like concealer only, I love the Dior concealer, so like I would do this, or I would do this Maybelline eraser. This one I have in 3.5N. This one I have in 130. So I hope that helps. Basically that's basically like my go-to kind of summer makeup. I'm not doing too much at all. I hope you found this video helpful. These products are pretty good. I'm obsessed with the MCO Beauty Super Glow Drops. I'm obsessed obviously with the CVS. This is a good alternative for a little Roche Posay. It's like the same situation. A huge fan of the Bubble brand. You can get it at Target. This Bounce Back Mist is great for makeup, like resetting or whatever. This, obviously, skin or lip tint from e.l.f. I have them in 3 shades, and I'm obsessed with all of them. I think they're just, it's such a good product. I have it in like the Cherry Cola. I have it in the Thumbs Up, and I have another one. I don't know where it is though. And then obviously the Maybelline Satin, Soft Satin lipstick, I think is great. Shade 106. Covergirl Clean. Pretty Purlz Demi Glow highlight from Fenty. Natasha Denona palette that I've had for quite a while. Easy Bake. Love this, and I love this together. This is from L'Oreal. This is from Huda. And yeah, that's basically the look. That's the makeup look. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please like, comment, share, subscribe. I would love to see you in the next video. And yeah, have a great rest of your day.